good morning. This is our low carb meal. Beef, parang Kobe beef, napaka-soft. Meron tayong fresh from the farm na fern salad, pako, manggang hilaw at ginamos. At yung ating avocado, fresh from the farm, sunny side up eggs, and tinapawid, and our leftover shrimps. Let's eat. Let's eat our tinapawid egg. Ang pilit naman ano. Pilit na 16 hours fasting, tapos hari ato na pilit na avocado, manggang hilaw. Sarap. Ginamos. Super yummy. Tagang aton fern salad. Bye!